So I'm doing this intro really quickly because I'm running super late for my hair appointment. And as you guys know, I've been asking you guys on Instagram like how I should cut my hair because I'm so indecisive when it comes to that sort of thing, and it always takes me so long to actually make a decision. So I finally made a decision, so let's see how it looks. My hair right now is, I would say, fairly long. This is like my natural hair, slept on it when it was kind of wet. So it's like fairly long, and I'm trying to cut it a little bit shorter and a little bit more mod, so that's kind of what I decided on. So I'm gonna head into my hair appointment right now and we'll see how it looks. You guys know I get so nervous whenever I cut my hair because I'm just really indecisive on the way that I want it to go. So I don't know, we'll see how that turns out. So let's go. It is literally perfect. You know how long I've been talking to you guys about how I wanted to cut my hair like this, and now it literally looks got the perfect flip going on. I'm trying to see if I end up doing it with some hot rollers or some like overnight rollers, or if I actually do like a curling iron, like a really big curling iron. So I'm gonna play around with it and see what the best result is, but I'm like obsessed with it, especially paired with this dress. It just looks like perfect. So as for the rest of the day, what I'm doing, I'm meeting up for dinner at 6 o'clock, and it's currently, I don't even know what time it is, like 1:30 or something. So I might just go down to the mall, or I might just, I don't know, I'm not entirely sure exactly what I'm doing yet, but we will see. It's really bright. This is actually so cute. I love these buttons. Hi, this is amazing. Little velvet collar and everything. Okay, so there was nothing at that store, but that's okay. There's still tons of other stores that I'm hitting. So let's go on to the next one. There's a couple vintage stores here as well, so I'll probably just hit those up and then get some food and just probably like head out to the mall and just kind of hang out there. Hi, can I have a tall Americano with no room and the classic coffee cake as well? Okay guys, next stop. Look at how stunning this is. so sorry, I look really ugly. I've been walking around like all day, so my makeup is probably all like ugly and melted. But now I'm just headed back. I'm done with dinner. I had dinner with my friend Michaela. You guys haven't really seen her on my channel recently, but we just kind of hung out and had a really nice dinner and conversation and just talked about some different plans and like things that we're kind of working on. It was great just catching up with her. It was a really good time. So now I'm just gonna head home and go to bed because I am literally exhausted.